In the textbook on page 100, it talks about the string operators. And the string operators, there's a few of them, but the one that they're really focused on is the concatenation operator. So for this particular one, you have to go in and do a little bit of code. So again, if you're in Firefox, go to Web Developer and then open up the Scratchpad. And let's clear out of this. And usually what I do, by the way, is I delete all this because that's all just comments anyway. So we'll give it their var and then text string. And the text string they want it to be assigned to. Remember, that's not an equal sign. That's an assignment operator. So get in the habit of calling that exactly what it is. When I get ready to do the quotes, notice how I put both of them on there for me, which is nice. And this is the oldest person ever lived. Helps if I can spell it right. 2. And then notice they've got a space there. Now, for now, I'm going to leave the space out just so you can see what that space does. There's an end quote, semicolon, next line. My next one is var, and we've got oldest age. I'm trying to do this too fast here, and that's going to be assigned to 122. Then a semicolon. And then our last line is new string, and that probably is going to be assigned to text string. Make sure I spell this correctly, otherwise we're going to have troubles. And then text string, and then it's not a plus, it's concatenation operator, oldest age. And then I have my semicolon that goes after. So now when I go to run this, oh, I've got an error. Oldest age is not defined. Yeah, it is. Got it right there. Oh, didn't capitalize. So let's capitalize that. Okay, oldest age is assigned to 122. Let's try that. So let's go ahead and run that code. And okay, it ran, but nothing came out. Well, how do I know that this actually worked? Well, you're going to do a document dot write. And then what do you think I would write here? Would I write out oldest age? I kind of already know that's 122. What I want to output is the new string. And then when I go to output this, then now, I don't know if you noticed or not, but my web browser popped up. The oldest person ever lived to 122. Whoa, that grammar is terrible. So it looks like I forgot a D here. Ever lived to, and then there's no space right here for the 122. So in the book there, that's why that space is there. So when I add this space here, and then I rerun it, now it looks like it should. Although in the browser here, notice it just ends up, I could just keep hitting execute and run, and it would go all the way across. But that's actually accurate. So that should show up the oldest person ever lived 122. Now, if you want to add a period after that, well, you'd think you'd be able to put a period here, but you cannot. And that's where this gets even more in. So you would have to do the text string of this, another var of oldest age, and then something else here to put the period in. But I'm going to let you guys consider how you would get that period to show up there.